Hello everybody and welcome to another Flutter video tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to pick up image profile from gallery and also from camera. So as you can see on the screen that by the end of this video you will learn how to pick up an image from gallery and show it as image profile. So if you are still not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe my channel by clicking on subscribe button. It motivates me to build or to create more videos like this. And let's jump to the code. So guys, as you can see on the screen, I created a project. Then I will explain all the things one by one that you should understand how it works. So let's get started with the main. As you can see here, void main, it is the starting point as I mentioned it before also, and we have a stateful widget and we have my state extend state of my app. So the main thing which you can see here is our topic, that how we can choose an image from gallery or from camera. So here is a method before the build method of my stat class. I name it choose image. As you know about the async, that we talk about async await in more detail and on the chat app. If you're still didn't see and don't know about async much, async await, then you can visit my video that I built a chat app as mentioned at the top of this video here. And if you know that I just created a final variable, name it image, and it is equal to await, and I call this image picker method, which is a package that I add this package on the pubspec.yaml file. Let's see how I did it. We are going to pubspec.yaml file, and you can see under this Cupertino icons I just add image picker. For now it is the version that I going to use in this project. And from where you bring this package, let me show you that. So guys, as you can see on the screen, I came to pub.dev website and you can search for image picker as you can see here. You can copy from here, or if you don't know how to do it, you can go to installation or installing tab and it will provide you the instruction that is needed, as you can see. So after you copy this, you can go back inside the pubspec.yaml and you can paste it here and press on pub-get, and it will get and download this package for you. After that you will be able to use it inside your project. So let's continue that. So after you putting the dot, then you can select the pick image method, that it has a source property that you can choose whether choose the image source dot gallery or whether you can choose the camera. Let me check the camera. You can see that I can choose the camera or the gallery. For now I don't want to use the camera. You can try it by yourself, and after that you can see that there is an if condition if the image is not null, and in the next one you can see there is a variable get image equal to file image.path, that this image path of this image will be stored in get image, and then this set state method is updating our UI. As you can see, I use this dot image and equal to get image, which is here the path of our image, and it will be inside the image. After that, when we are dealing with async await and dealing with data that coming from somewhere, we need to put a try and catch. And this is the try and catch block that on platform exception, it will provide us this message and catch the exception, which is E here. This exception might occur when the user is going to allow or not allowed to choose the data from the gallery. So it's better to catch that exception here. So let's continue with our build method. Here is the build method. As you can see, it returns a material app, and it has a scaffold here and a background that you can see the color, which is here, and also it has an app bar. The text is picking up, as you can see, it is appear here, and also we have the body. What is inside the body? The whole thing, as you can see here, will be inside the body. So all the things are wrapped with the center widget. As you can see, it will show all the things at the center of the screen. And we have a container and we have a column as a child. And the column is main X alignment is dot center. Inside the children of this column, we can use this line of codes that showing our image. And you know this image which has the path, if it is not null, then it's going to take the image and give it the width, which is 120, and the height 120, and it will fit all the image on this specific area. As you know, this ternary operator, which this one is filled, then it will show this logo, it will show this Flutter logo here instead of this image. So after that, we have a size box which height is 50, that you can see the space between the pickup image gallery and the image. And after that, after all, we have a button that is elevated button. On press of this button, I just call this choose image method, and the label for this button pick up image, as you can see here. So as you know, this method is here that we declare it, and we talk about all this code, and you now understand these codes. And let's go back, and that is it all. After all, you can now run your app. Now my app is running. Let's check it. By clicking on this image, on this button, you can pick up an image that you want. So inside my emulator, I have these two image. I'm going to click this time the baby. So as you can see, I can choose the baby, whether I can choose this image, it looks better. So guys, this is that much easy that you can implement it on your project, and I hope you learned something from this video about the picking image from the gallery and from the camera. If you like it, you can thumbs up, and see you guys on the next video.